So guys, welcome back on my unboxing channel. Today I'm going to unbox my Nike Air Winflow I bought from Myntra. Today I'm going to unbox my Nike Air Zoom Winflow 6. As you can see, that is awesome in color, as the gradient is awesome, light green to dark green, or branding, the spike, the curve, and the sole is too awesome. As you can see that it's, if someone see on from the left side, then it's is orange, white and bright light green color, which is looking too good. As from bottom it's too sharp, and the spikes is nice. It's made from rubber, and this, you can feel the hard surface on the this shiny part at the depth of this sole. And so I have some points to note down whether my Nike is original or not. If you buy online, then some people are saying that my Nike is not original, my Nike is fake. As I bought, compare my Nike whether it is original or not. So let's go to first box number. So let's do one thing, just go on the bottom. As you can see, there is, oh, there is a Nike, one logo, 2, 3, that's it, no more than 3, right? So original Nike always not put much logos or text logos on their shoes, as the size is remain the same, and the bottom both sole is same. Okay, and you never saw Nike right over here. As you can see that this is running, written running, and a tick. Okay, and if you check the serial number, that is AQ7497300, so it will trigger to your Nike website, which is belongs to this product. And for more originality, you can check this QR code as well as serial number on, and all the serial number belongs to the box as well. At this, you can scan this QR code also. And one more thing, if you check the Nike's sticker, that will be pull out, but this one is originally pasted. As you can see, two layers, there's one is pasted or over another one. So this is the originality of Nike shoes. And I will list it down, that what the points you have to remember about original Nike or fake Nike. And one more thing is, if you can see the logo of this Nike, as you can see the radius as well. Both tick have radius, some radius, right? If you got a fake Nike, then the line of bottom or front one is too pointy. So that the one more comparison of fake and original Nike, that the radius of this stick is both are same. As you can see that on this type, there is a plastic material of this Nike, which is not completed here just because of its branding purpose, but the tip is awesome. So this Nike Air Winflow, I got it from Nike website, as well as you can get it from Myntra or Amazon. I got this is from 8,000, and for discount you can check out on Myntra and Amazon too.